Hell yeah. That's right.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's get started. Okay, so this is the engine stand that we're going to be putting the motor on, but we need to run to Home Depot real quick to get bolts to actually be able to put the motor on here. So let's go do that real quick. Okay, so we got some paint and primer because I want to paint my intake manifold and my valve cover, and also got some navy blue. I'm gonna try this and see if it looks good. I'm not sure. Otherwise, let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should do out of all these colors. What do you think would look good on my intake manifold and valve cover? Okay, I think we're gonna go need a cart. Okay, time to struggle finding our bolt. We found some M10 bolts that hopefully will work, otherwise we're gonna have to come back. But I think these should do the job, and then we're also gonna get a little bit of washers with it too. Now it's time to start undoing this motor. It's only 2 bolts on this, so we're just gonna get this crane hooked up and supporting the weight. Now, I don't know the best way to go about this, but it's only 2 bolts. See that? Motor mount is disconnected. Now it's completely on the crane. I guess we have to try to pull it back. Okay. Coolant is dripping out of the thermostat on my leg, if you were wondering how that's going. There's always a ground that has to fuck with you somehow, some way, somewhere, at some point. Now, this ground also got bent the fuck. Where's she stuck on? Okay. Oh yeah, I can't wait to inspect this head fully. Look at this. Look at that head. That head's fucked. Definitely need a new one. Well, we finally got the motor out of the car. Honestly, getting the motor out wasn't that hard. The hardest part was probably the transmission over everything else. So make sure to stay subscribed for fuck.